I gotta put him lower, don't I?
I think you have to put him lower.
I don't
Look
put
at this.
where.
Hold on, let me help you. Let me help you.
It's like, where else do I put him? You're bad.
You're bad. You're the one.
I gotta put him lower.
I think so, Des. Don't you think?
We gotta freaking out, but where else am I gonna put it?
Lower?
Where? Zeus, get out of
Come
here.
on.
Go home. Zeus, go to your house. Zeus. Zeus, go.
Go home.
Tell him to
Hurry
go.
up.
Go over there.
Go home now.
Party's over.
Party's over.
Poor dog. I feel bad. Where else can I put him?
I think John put him in on the leash too, and I guess they went wild, so he like moved them.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're sick.
You're sick. Oh, that feels good out of here, y'all. Woo.